We've all been lied to. We've been told that to achieve our goals, we need to stay motivated. But here is the truth. Motivation is unreliable. It comes and goes like the weather. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our weekly videos. If you only work when you feel inspired, you will never build anything lasting. Shifting your reliance from passion to commitment is the only way to succeed. Passion gets you into the race, but discipline gets you to the finish line. First, focus on systems, not just goals. A goal is what you want to achieve. A system is the daily process that gets you there. Don't focus on losing weight. Focus on your daily movement. Don't focus on writing a book. Focus on writing one page. Second, use the 5-minute rule. When you feel zero motivation, tell yourself, I will just do this task for 5 minutes. Usually, the hardest part is starting. Once you begin, momentum takes over. Third, change your identity. Stop saying, I am trying to study or I am trying to exercise. Instead, say, I am a student or I am an athlete. Act like the person you want to become, even when you don't feel like it. Commitment is a muscle. It gets stronger every time you choose action over comfort. Action comes before motivation, not after it. So stop waiting for the perfect feeling. Just start. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.